This video is for Glenda and Brian to show them how to create the Facebook page for Aunt Mabel's. So for starters, you need to go to facebook.com and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, then you need to go to facebook.com/pages/create.php. The option you would probably use is local business or place, so left click on that, choose a category. You can probably do a page for both the restaurant as well as the motel, or both. In this case, I'm going to do a sample restaurant page. So I left click on restaurant and cafe. Business place, I'll make a fictional one here. Fred's Taco Bar. And I'll use my real street address and that info since it's just easier for me to type in right away. Okay, you need to check this little button here. You can read this if you wish, however you can't continue unless you check it. So then once that is done, you'll upload an image. Key here is not to make too large an image. I earlier made a smaller image from a quite large one so that it'll upload properly. As you can see, these are all 8-9 megabytes, but the one I'm going to use here is under a megabyte. Down here you can see it's showing the upload space or speed, about halfway there. And another 15% or so will be done. Okay, so there's my image. And at this time the page is actually created. Now I'll go into the edit page part to take care of some basic settings. You can decide to always comment on your page as Aunt Mabel's, or in this case it's going to be Fred Taco Bar, however I don't want to do that. And send notifications when people post or comment to your page. Probably want to do that in case somebody posts something negative or derogatory. As for permissions, you can add where only admins can see it, only certain countries can see it. This is pretty much self-explanatory. Into basic information, I can set the times that we're open, so we'll go from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. Fridays maybe stay open a little longer. And same with Saturday. Saturday I'll maybe open a little earlier for breakfast. And Sunday open a little later. Here you can type something about it. We serve the best tacos and margaritas in Kelowna. Family run. And it's Mexican. Parking on the street. Public transit is available, so take the number 10 or 9 from Queensway. Station or Park. I guess spelled Queen wrong. That beats me. Can't remember. Anyways, take Visa, MasterCard. Tires casual. Services takes reservations, good for groups, takeout, outdoor seating, waiter service, walk-ins welcome. No kids. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and drinks. In your case, it would obviously be www.ampnables.com here, and your email address would go there, and then so save changes. We already did the profile picture, featured, not too sure what that's for. Marketing, you can advertise or tell your friends, or we'll add a like box to your website. And to do that, we'll do that after your page is created. So apps, not aware of what's in here at the moment. Obviously, you'd probably do events, some notes, maybe some additional photos. And we're going to view the page real quick. Copy this. So once you're on your view page part, you'll be able to invite your friends, tell your fans, post status updates. It's just like posting on your wall. Promote this page on your website. That's what we're going to do next. So what would happen there is the URL of the page I just created goes in here, and I only want it so wide. I'll go with the dark theme at the moment. Shows faces, shows streams. And then I would be able to take, once I have this, basically I can take the code. This is kind of like what's already on your website, except that the page you're not able to currently update. Okay, so And when you're in your area here, you'll be able to go to the wall and post to your walls. So if you have something to post, like today we have a special for the first 10 people, today only, first 10 people to come in and say they saw us on Facebook will receive a 15% discount. And then you would be able to share it with them more. So, at the moment, I think that should pretty much show you how to get the page going. And once you have the page going, then I'll be able to go and do other things for it. Here's our info page. Here's the wall. Get started. What's under there? Somewhere along the way there's also a place to tie it in with Twitter. I seen that yesterday. Anyways, for the time being, that'll be the end of this video.